Hey y'all, first YouTube video ever. 2019 F-150 jump seat removal without messing with the bolts on the driver's or passenger side. So let's get started. Try to make this as quick and painless as possible. So on the right, basically I started off with both seats, passenger and driver side, all the way up. There's 5 bolts total to remove and 1 electrical connector. And if you have the right tool, you do not need to take bolts out of the driver's or passenger side. So here we go. On the right hand side, there is an electrical connection which ties into your USB and 12 volt hookup here. So this electrical connection here, it's mounted on the side. I took it off for visibility, but there is a button right here. If you push that button, the whole electrical connection comes out. Anyhow, we're gonna get started here. Again, if you have the right tool, this is the 1 bolt why I assume people are taking the passenger seat out. It's almost impossible to get to, but if you have the right tool, you can get that bolt out just fine. So here we have the 1/4 inch drive, 1/2 inch socket fed into that impossible hole with a universal joint. Makes it just as easy as getting any other bolt out. At some point I might have to take the extension off and get the bolt out, but it's loose enough now that I can get it off the finger. And there it is. All you need is, again, 1/4 inch drive, universal joint, and that bolt comes right out. Now we'll start working on the other bolts, which are easily accessible, again, without removing passenger or driver's seat. And there's that bolt. Okay, so we got the 2 on the rear of the passenger side. We will go over to the driver's side and remove the 1 bolt on the rear. Okay, we're on the driver's side now, and we're going to remove the 1 bolt on the rear over here. Worry with all this. All right, so we've got that loosened. There's the bolt on the driver's side. All right, now we're on the driver's side. Move both the passenger and driver's seat back all the way, and right down here is your 2nd bolt. There's only 2 on the driver's side, but all right, put some gloves on for this one. I didn't want to knock my wrists, knuckles into the seat rail there. Okay, so I've got that bolt mostly loosened with the socket, and should be finger tight by now. Pull that bolt out, and off to the passenger side for the final bolt. All right, here we are on the passenger side. Same position as the driver's side bolt. All right, so it's finger tight now. I can take that bolt out. All right, that bolt's out. Now, the entire seat will come out. There it is. Everything is disconnected. There's the wire that we disconnected earlier. There's the 2 bolts on the passenger side, or yeah, passenger side. There's the 1 bolt on the driver's side, 1 bolt to driver's side front, and 1 bolt passenger side front. And that is it. I never had to touch the driver's or passenger side bolts. I didn't have to remove anything. I didn't have to move them out of the way. My ultimate plan here is to fabricate a center console. I had one years ago in a old Willys Jeep that I had fabricated. It was made out of diamond plate aluminum. It's my same plan for this truck. I want to make a diamond plate aluminum center console with a padded armrest. It'll give me a lot more room to store things than this jump seat ever did. Hope you enjoy it. Take care. Bye.